everybody, I am currently down in Essex. I'm in Essex, oh Essex. I'm back down in Essex. We've actually been doing some work for AMD tuning, and we've been doing we're doing some work for Greenlight Insurance tomorrow, so that's why I'm down here for the next 3 days. Now, we're on the way to Kuba. Remember my friend Kuba? Scuba Steve, Kuba cool. None of you will understand what I'm talking about. I don't even know what I'm talking about either, to be honest, but I kind of do, but I kind of don't. Kuba Cruel is it was a drifter in Drift Masters, and it made me really laugh because I was with Kuba, and obviously because Kuba Cruel was Polish, and everyone was like, it's Kuba Cool. I was like, Kuba Cool. And then also Scuba Steve. Scuba Steve is, it doesn't really matter what we're talking about. Anyway, we're going down to see Kuba, and Kuba, we're going to be doing something to the Jag, which I've been dying to do since day one, but I've just not done it because I've been trying to get to do the thing, and I'm like, what should I do? I've been trying to make a decision what I should do for ages, and I've ultimately come to the conclusion that we're going to see Kuba Cruel now. He's not actually called Kuba Cruel, anyway, so we're on the way to Kuba. First of all, I'm down in Essex, Kuba lives in Essex. I'm like, alright, I mean, worst case, he's an hour. I look at the setup, an hour and 40. He lives an hour and 40 away from Lakeside. What the fuck? You don't live in Essex. You definitely live in Suffolk. I don't know why you're lying to me, Kuba. Thank you for letting me stay at yours tonight. But also, why'd you live in the fucking Shire? What the hell? Who lives out there? He says, it's quiet around here. So yeah, no fucking shit, because it's an hour and 40 away from everything. We're on the way to Suffolk. You don't live in Essex, Kuba, you live in Suffolk. We're on there now. Is it Suffolk? I don't know. I'm trying shit. So we're on their way now, just doing some cool things to the drag. Because the drag badly needs these cool things. Let me in, Mr. Skoda. Thank you. On the way down here yesterday, my life's hectic at the minute. On the way down here yesterday, I ended up buying a car. Yes, another car, my 7th car. I'm not sure if that video is live yet or not, but if it isn't live, we've bought a car. Not going to tell you what it is. Well, actually, fuck it. It's a tow vehicle. I need a tow vehicle because I'm sick of driving the Mustang secret drift days. It's so dangerous. It's so bad. So anyway, we bought a tow car, and we're actually towing the Mustang to a drift day on Friday. It's now Tuesday, and I've never ever even towed anything in my life. Never towed anything in my life. Never ratchet strapped a car to anything in my life. Never even put a tow on a tow. Not done anything. So Kuba's going to give me a 5-minute how to tow 101 so I don't kill myself on Friday. So we're going to do that as well, which is going to be absolutely hilarious. He's got the same tow vehicle that I've bought, so it'll be good for him to just say, this is how you tow it up, and this is how you don't die. Anyway, we've got an hour and a half drive. So we're down. Kuba, say hello. It's not focusing. Keep going. There we go. I haven't said hello to him. This is Kuba's drift car, everybody. I think he's got a 3-litre swap in it. Look at the beautiful paint. Beautiful. And this is Kuba's trailer. And this is Kuba's X5, by the way. Oh yeah, I'm going to have to do this video. I bought an X5. I'm going to have to put this video after the X5 reveal. I can't wait. So basically, Kuba's got an X5 and a trailer. And I was actually looking. Anyway, why am I talking about that car? It's going to be a different video. But Kuba's going to let me have a go of his trailer. The main thing is, like, I need to just know how to hook it up to the tow. And then just know how to work it, and then I'm going to have a go around here in reverse and stuff because I'm trailing a car on Friday and I'm absolutely terrified. Kuba's Ripper, but he loves it. We're going to go driving together at some point. We're going to get on a drift day and swap cars, and we'll give him a go of the Mustang, and he wants me to have a go of this, so can't wait for that. But what we're doing here, we're going to paint the wheels. We're painting the wheels. I've had the biggest... It's been so annoying because I've been looking for different wheels for months, and I've just come to the conclusion that I'm going to paint these, because finding wheels for this car is so annoying. It's 5x108, so that's literally just Jaguar and Land Rover fitment. And because this car's such a weird setup, this car, it's just weird. Like, no other Jag wheels fit it nicely because they're all like 225s, which is just like for a 500 horsepower real drag car, it's just not going to work. And they're all terrible fitment, terrible ET. Or you can get the F-type wheels, which are, you know, wide, but they're too wide for the back and they don't fit, from what I've heard. So I've just been looking for like good aftermarket wheels, and it's not happening. So I've ordered some spacers, which we're going to put on, and we're going to paint the wheels. We're going to do a quick paint. We're not going to be here all night. Blast and paint. But he's a painter, so it's one of those, isn't it? I'm like, just fucking throw it on, and he's going to be standing in for hours and hours. But we've ordered the Dominoes, so it's absolutely fine.
Yeah, it should be here.
Should be here now. It's not. Fuck, I'm so hungry. By the way, why do you live so far out of civilization?
It's quite nice and quiet here.
This is mate, an hour and 40. Anyway, we're in a new unit. Kuba's got his new unit. Here he goes. Finally started up his own thing. So remember last time everyone was like, Kuba paint my car. I was like, you can ask him. I don't think he's going to do it. Now you can do it.
Now I can do it.
Now you can do it. So you're going to get him. So if you don't know, Kuba actually painted my MX-5 and my S13. Yeah. And he's going to paint the Mustang and my caddy van. So have you seen my caddy van?
Yeah,
I've seen it. How cool is that colour?
Yeah. What colour?
The
colour you want.
The one with the Mustang.
Yeah, that's pretty cool. Yeah.
It's pretty cool, but we can't find the paint code. Well, we've got the paint code, but it's just not showing.
Yeah, no.
We need to find that, Kuba.
Yeah, we're gonna find it.
It's really annoying when like rap people go, oh, I went pink first, I went purple first, I went blue first. It's a rap. Shut up. You're only a big boy if you go custom paint. Oh yeah.
Paint is the one.
The paint is the one. Paint is the one. So. Yeah, get on to Kuba's actually going to be giving a free wheel giveaway for this video for you guys and on Instagram, but you'll see that on Instagram soon. Should I get the wheels off? Should I make myself useful and do something?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do that. We've run out of jacks and oh, let's just lift that up. Oh, yeah, go on. There we go. Let's just rest on that wheel. Oh, never mind. Fuck it, we'll just keep it like that. Should be right. Right, so I have got some spacers as well. I've gone for 30mm on the back and like 20 on the front. It's brave on the back, I'm not gonna lie, but since we're Land Rover height, we should be right. So they've sent me one spacer for the back. Right, so before we ever go to the trailer, let's do some work. My favourite Scotch pad. Here we go, here we go. Mate, how you do this every day? Fucked. You don't do wheels every day? Well, no shit. I thought it'd be easy in my head. I was like, yeah, we'll get there, we'll just get DA. We'll paint it, we'll be in and out in an hour. That's what I thought.
Yeah. Not exactly.
What's that then now? Right. So you pull it on?
Well, you don't have to. If you're by yourself, you're going to have to sort of just try.
Do you keep this on or is that?
No, take that off. Just make sure
right. So I pull it on.
Just so it's.
Yeah.
Then get that.
Yeah, and wind this.
Yeah, keep winding it. Just watch your fingers. And put it underneath.
All the way?
Yeah. So that will need to be.
Until it comes off the floor?
Yeah, the trailer you're going to be using, I'm not sure what. You might have a wheel on the side or there as well.
How far do you come up?
Yeah, just literally all the way.
All the way?
Yeah.
Lift this up?
Yeah, push it on. That's it.
Oh, like that?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
And then once you just try and you see that up there.
Yeah.
That's it.
Yeah.
And then normally you're putting that on.
So this. Through here, yeah?
Yep.
Yeah, and then just you just
yeah, that's it.
Just like that.
And then normally that just like sort of goes in there.
Right.
And then yeah, that's it.
And that's it.
Yeah, just jump in here.
Jump in and off I go.
And just drive around here.
Well, your door handle works. That's nice.
I ain't got time for anybody.
No, I don't want to hit anything, mate. Cool, beast. So you drive? Yeah. Fucking hell.
Yeah, adjust it.
Yeah, I want to be next to the wheel. I'm scared. Whoa! Got a trailer. See, this bit doesn't worry me. It's the reversing.
Yeah, so obviously, when
it's just like driving a long van, isn't it?
Yeah, like when you turn, you obviously wide.
Come wide, yeah. That's how I drive the A7.
Yeah. A7 Transit.
Yeah, literally. Alright, I'll just go do. I'm not gonna hurt anything. Don't worry. You see, this bit doesn't worry me. This bit doesn't worry me at all. I'm very confident with this bit. It's the bit that worries me is reversing and stuff. Because you got mirrors, like. Obviously, I'm aware how to drive long stuff. Sometimes, you know, someone just looks out and there's some guy with a trailer going round and around the roundabout. In reverse and just see what happens. and just try to get a gauge. Okay, so now I'm in a, okay, so I'm like, oh no, I need to reverse. So if I go this way, the trailer goes that way, and then straight, and say I want to go over there, my brain's going to tell me to come, okay, I want to go this way, and I want to push the trailer around, and then I want to go. So real life situation, let's go. Oh no, how far can I? Yeah, so say I want to turn around. Oh well, I've ruined it there because I've made that. I wish that shut up. What's going on? Is this my seatbelt? What's beeping? See, right, let's try it again. Let's say I want to do a U-turn. Let's practice doing a U-turn. So, shit, I need to turn around. So we're gonna go. Let's say we need to back up against that truck. So we want to push the trailer. No, so I want to go this way. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, then you want to, I'll find my way. Okay, I'm good. We want to push the trailer around there. There we go. And we can start straightening out. We're going up a hill. Right, so that's the thing. So say we want, now we've got to, maybe now we go this way. And then do the same thing again. And that should bring the trailer around. And then we can go full lock this way. And then off we go. Okay, I think I've got that. It's a lot easier when you just look behind you. It hurts your neck, and Kuba was saying when you got a car in there you can't do that. But it's a lot easier because when you're looking at it, it's easy. You just got to you know, push the trailer where you want it to go. But in your mirrors, it's like flipped. But look how cool the X5 looks. Okay, I've got the angle of that. I reversed it down there. I'm not that good. How much lock can you get? Like, how much angle can you get on it?
Well, you got to be careful. I'm not sure how much angle, but you got to be careful not to pull the wiring loom out from the plug.
Right. Oh, is that what happened?
If you put too much angle on it, the thing won't pop out.
Right.
So,
because it's like, it's coming to the bit where like the trailer's here. Like, how far do you go until that hits here?
That's probably like 45 degrees or something, isn't it?
Oh, so you got a lot?
Yeah.
Right, so I've just spent about half an hour trying to find my camera. I lost it. Kuba's done the black. The black is on and it's just drying now. Oh, they look satin a minute. I don't think they look good satin, but they look good here satin. But then when you can see the tyres on the car, it's not going to look good satin. So the black is on. Kuba's just mixing the clear coat, and Kuba's doing a free wheel giveaway, aren't you, Kuba? Sorry, a free wheel refurb. Sorry, here they are. A free wheel. Fucking hell, try to say that fast. A free wheel refurb. Oh, smashed it. A free wheel refurb. So there'll be there'll actually be a screenshot here. I'll go this way because it's dark outside. There'll be a screenshot here of the Instagram. So go over to Kuba's Instagram, and there'll be a little post there. You'll see it straight away. And what you're going to do, just like standard, comment, share, comment, share, like, yeah. One of those Gucci things, and then you get a free wheel refurb from Kuba. We was just saying this. Everybody wants a wheel refurb. Even if you're happy with your wheels, there's still no downside to getting a wheel refurb. So it's going to do really well for you. To the clear coat in a second, and then we're going to bang them back on. And I'm very excited, but also very excited to get to sleep. I'm very annoyed that I've still got one wheel space. I have to bring them tomorrow. I don't think they're going to believe it. I'm trying to think. It was like 3 weeks ago when I ordered them as well. I hope they don't turn around and go, "We sent you them 3 weeks ago, mate. We definitely sent you 4." I'm like, "Well, I didn't. Well, it was 3 weeks ago. We definitely did." I'm getting the shots, people. Content comes first. But yeah, I hope you guys are excited to see the Mustang get painted. I'm so fucking buzzing to paint the Mustang in the colour that we've chose. As I say, it's really hard colour to find because it's really old. But Kuba thinks he knows a supplier who might be able to find that paint code. We know the paint code, which is not coming up on the Kuba system. Oh my god, I cannot wait. It's gonna be so sick. Here they are. Yum, 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 yum. I'm very excited to see what it looks like. I'm so annoyed about those wheel spacers. I wish it was the backs. I wish I had the backs and they fucked up the fronts because the backs look horrendous. I'm not going to put them on the back and then have to change them over. Ah, yum, 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 yum. We like black wheels. Kuba, are you a fan of black wheels? People, no, you don't like black wheels. You don't like black wheels. Why don't you like black wheels?
You can't really see them on a car, can you?
Well, exactly. That's why they're so good. I always have cheap shit wheels. Probably even worse now, so I've got dead fitment on the back and they might be a bit fruity on the front.
Yeah.
I'm fuming.
Drift spec.
Drift spec. We may as well add some camber to our rear. Is that a Drift Jag XFR? Yes. Well, it is. That's why my bumper's cracked. I mean, no, it's not. I drove into a curb that came out of nowhere. It's not ideal, is it? Forget I said that. My bumper's fine. I mean, it looks absolutely miles better. I mean, I'm a bit annoyed about my dead-ass fitment on the back, but the fronts look way better. It would actually look really good if the backs weren't so skinny. So I'm gonna message that company and see if I can get hold of my, my other spacer that I paid for. But it looks way better, way less grandad spec. I've actually got a splitter at home which I got from Wish. It's like a universal one, and we're gonna make it work. Kuba, you the man. Go to his Instagram and do the free wheel furb. And for all those people who Kuba said no to doing full resprays,
Now I can do it.
now we can do it. And how excited are you about
that? Yeah, it's exciting. I like it.
I think I hurt his soul forever when I brought that MX-5, which had.
Don't remind me about that.
How many layers of paint did I have on it?
Huh?
How many layers of paint did I have on it?
A lot.
A lot. It was a lot. I mean, in the ownership of me knowing the car, it had 3 different paint resprays, mostly on the driveway with rattle cans. And then Kuba had to sand it all back, which was a great video. Insert clip here. Is that bad, mate? Is that annoying? Has that ruined the day?
Oh yeah, that's pretty bad.
Sorry, mate. Look like a fucking snake. Right, we're going back to yours, aren't we, Kuba? We're going to see your cats. Kuba's got the coolest fucking cats ever. But here's the Jag. Miles better. Thank you, Kuba. On camera, it actually doesn't look that dirty, but in real life, it's horrendous, isn't it? Yeah. It is.
It's like grey.
It is horrendous. I've not washed this car in properly, I reckon, like 3 months. I reckon. It's done a lot of miles as well. She loves it. What we don't love is that dead fitment. Anyway, we're gonna go to bed. I love you all. We'll see you in the next one.